morning, one and all. My name is Moni. I'm studying National Techno Degree College, final year, BSc Geology. Today speak about HLA pieces. One of the type of Cyprina startio. Order Cyprina fonsu. Family Cyprinidia, common name called. This fish was imported from China and introduced into Nilgiri lakes. Body shape elongated, lightly flattened shape, scales, elastic scales, mirror, liner, and leather carp. Color golden brown, olive and grey. Pins, dorsal pins, pectoral pins, pelvic pins, gradual pins, anal pins, short pins. Habit freshwater, brackish water, lakes, rivers. Size can grow up to length 120 centimeters, weight 40 kgs. Lifespan relatively long lived with individual capable. Thank you.